A side hustle is a small business that a person starts alongside another, usually more stable, job. Side hustles tend to be labors of love. There's a reason they've been deemed hustles. Starting a business of any type requires a certain amount of dedication, business know-how, and motivation. People who start a side hustle are often motivated by the desire to make more money or to bring a passion into their career trajectory. Some people with entrepreneurial aspirations will plant the seeds for their future full-time business by first launching a side hustle. Maintaining a steady job during this transition can offer financial security as they explore what it's like to become a small business owner. As workers across the United States reassess their workplace needs, many are turning to side hustles. According to a 2022 survey from Side Hustle, 45% of working Americans have a side hustle or added an additional income stream. As you consider your why, think about ways you'll be able to measure success. This can be related to finances, feelings, social media metrics, knowledge, or anything else that feels right for you. Remember that with your side hustle, you get to decide what success means. Side hustle ideas. Once you have some clarity on your goal or goals, it's time to find your idea. With your objective in mind, read through the ideas below and notice if anything sparks your interest. Consider whether that spark signifies alignment with your goal, or if you're recognizing an additional goal that you hadn't yet considered. Each of the ideas listed below offers some amount of scheduling flexibility, allowing you to pursue a side hustle while still prioritizing a full-time work schedule. Many of the ideas can also become full-time small business ventures, with the right business plan to back it up. 1. Social media management. Social media managers help businesses create and manage their social media presence. This can include tasks like developing strategy, creating content calendars, copywriting, and more. Social media can be a crucial part of a business's marketing strategy, and they're often willing to pay for expertise. Depending on experience, social media managers can make anywhere from $20 to over $100 per hour. 2. Digital marketing. Digital marketers help businesses create and manage their online presence. They may be responsible for tasks like building Google or Facebook ads, creating SEO content, or developing email marketing campaigns. Experienced digital marketers may charge anywhere from $20 to over $100 per hour. 3. Website design. Web designers are responsible for the aesthetic appeal and usability of a website. They'll often have some kind of design, user experience, UX, or user interface, UI background, in addition to the technical skills required to update a website. Many will charge $75 per hour, though the pricing can range from $30 and $80 per hour. 4. Website development. If you are talented with the technical aspects of building and maintaining a website, you may want to consider a side hustle as a web developer. Web developers are responsible for coding and configuring websites on the back end and developing functionality on the front end. They may charge between $100 and $180 per hour, and what's more, after the site is built, clients may maintain a contract with their web developer to cover site maintenance. 5. Bookkeeping. Bookkeeping involves balancing checkbooks and reconciling budgets for businesses. It doesn't require any formal education, though you'll want to be comfortable with basic math and know how to use bookkeeping software. The median hourly rate for bookkeepers in the United States is over $20 per hour, though some experienced bookkeepers charge between $50 and $100 per hour. 6. Tutoring. If you like working with kids or teens and enjoy the learning process, you may like tutoring. There are many ways to personalize your services. For example, you may focus on a specific subject or age group, or offer virtual or in-person tutoring. The average rate for a tutor in the United States is about $25 per hour, but depending on your experience, you might be able to charge upwards of $50 per hour. 7. Babysitting. If you'd prefer to play with kids rather than teach them, consider babysitting. The average rate for a babysitter in the United States is around $20 per hour, and you can adjust your rates depending on factors such as number of kids or their ages. In one night, you could take home between $80 and $100. To find a babysitting job with more consistent hours, you may also want to look into part-time nannying. For this side hustle, you may want to bolster your credentials and emergency preparedness by getting certified in first aid and CPR. 8. Graphic design. If you are skilled in digital design, you may want to consider a side hustle as a graphic designer. You can find gigs on websites like Fiverr or Upwork, Or you can have your designs printed on apparel, stickers, and other products and sent directly to customers using services such as Redbubble. You can learn graphic design fundamentals with the graphic design specialization from CalArts. 9. Writing. For the editorially inclined, there are plenty of ways to make money as a writer. You can write for traditional publications, create copy for marketing agencies, help job seekers hone their resumes, or start your own affiliate marketing blog or newsletter. 10. Creating content. If the idea of community building excites you, you may want to consider becoming a content creator. It can take a bit of time before your audience is large enough to monetize, but the payoff for creating a successful podcast, YouTube channel, or Instagram account can be huge. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who needs that extra motivation to start their own profitable side hustle. And as always, don't forget to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you.